Hi, you can now send festive e-gift vouchers to your employees through Kredily. For that, let us navigate to the discount vouchers section. You can see all the popular e-vouchers to the right-hand side of the screen, and you can see the categories towards the bottom. Let's say I want to purchase a Flipkart e-gift card. Enter the amount that you want to purchase gift card for. The denomination is 50. And then you get an option to choose your employees you're gifting. I'm choosing this employee Sannivas Shanbag. You can choose multiple employees by clicking on Add Employee option. In this case, I'm just choosing one employee. So the quantity would remain one. You can also add an optional message if required. You can say Happy Diwali, Happy Dashera. The total amount is 50 and the payable amount is 50. You can add the registered phone number of the person you're gifting this for. And then this will redirect you to the payment gateway. Click on the Show QR option. You will get the final breakup. Scan the QR for the payment. Payment is successful. Once the payment is done, you will get a confirmation on your email as well. You can see the entire purchase history in the purchase history section. This is what I purchased now. It says it is processed. It will be dispatched soon. Then you can see the details in the My Card section. As you can see, I have received this. The card has been received by the employee. The employee can click on the Unlock Your Gift button. This sends out an OTP to the registered phone number or the registered email address. Please enter the OTP to get the details. So I've entered the OTP and the card details have been sent securely to my email address. Let me navigate to my email. I've received the card details. Now I'll click on Show Details. Even to see the card number, you will have to enter the OTP. OTP will be sent to the registered phone number or the registered email address. Now I can see the card details here. Copy the card details. Once these two details are copied, please go to the e-commerce website. In this case, I'm logging into my Flipkart account. And I'll go to gift card section and I'll click on Add to Wallet. Add a gift card. Here I'll add both the card details and the PIN, the card number. We will have to remove the hyphens. Hope this works now. Yes, the card is successfully added to my Flipkart account. Now I can redeem this. I can utilize this for any of my purchase.